All right, so this is one of these ones where we have to actually work backwards, right? We know how far the pendulum swings back, right? So there's really 3 steps in this, kind of. Right? Bullet traveling. Okay? And the pendulum, the unsuspecting pendulum. Right? Then there is the bullet has struck the pendulum. And the pendulum is moving, but it hasn't risen yet, right? Let's imagine that this, happens instantaneously, the collision, right? And then there's the pendulum has now swung, right? It's also changed shape and size. Okay, it has swung up to some height, and it's it's like it's stationary at that point, right? It's risen 0.356, right? Which is quite a bit, right? These ballistic pendulums probably didn't rise that much, right? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to work backwards. We're going to figure out if it swung that high, how fast was it going here? And then if we know that velocity, we can figure out this velocity using momentum. So from here to here is momentum. From here to here is energy, right? Okay, because here we have momentum, here we don't have momentum, but we have potential energy, here we have kinetic, right? So we're going to say that this 1/2 mv squared is equal to mgh here, right? And then, so we've got 1/2 mass, and we don't know the velocity, right? Then that equals m times 9.81 times 0.356, right? So notice that the mass cancels. I mean, we could figure out what that mass is. It's going to be 2.6. It's going to be 347.60 grams or something like that. But we don't even need that because the mass will cancel here, right? And then we can figure out the V. The V is equal to the square root of 2 times 9.81 times 0.356. So it's actually going 2.64286 meters per second. That's the speed of this guy, right? This guy's going 0.64286. Right? And now we can do momentum, right? So we've got 0.0026 times V equals 0.3476. Let's just check my math here. 0.345 plus 0.0026674. Yes, we did the math correctly, right? And then we know that this is going 2.64286. Okay, so the number on my calculator times 0.3476 divided by 0.0026. And we get that this velocity is 353 meters per second. Here we go. It's supersonic because the speed of sound at, STP is like 343 meters per second. All right.